Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review and unboxing. This is a KitchenAid classic hand, what is this called? Tilt head stand mixer. And in the color black. I'm very excited to use this. And my aunt and uncle were really nice enough to get me this, so a big shout out to them. And so I'm going to start by opening the box. If I can find my scissors. Oh. Okay, I got my scissors. So I'm going to open the box. Be careful if you're doing like opening the box like me. Be careful when you're using scissors. Oh my gosh. So I've opened the box. And the first thing that is in here is this. Pretty cool. So yeah. Then now I'm going to take out the mixer itself. I'm first gonna lay it like this because this is heavy. This is actually really heavy. So it's hard to take it out. Scissors. It is black. Okay. So now that I've gotten it out of the box, it came with this, the manual, the guide. It just has the instructions in a lot of languages. Now I'm going to make this stand. Oh, it is heavy. Carefully place it. Oh. Okay, so this is how it looks. It is very shiny and glossy for some reason. And I'm going to open it. Okay, let's see. I never use this, so I don't want to break it. How do people take this out? Like, for goodness sake, how does this work? Sorry, I've never used one before, so. Ow, that hurt. Well, this is scary. I want to. Okay, well, it comes with a very nice stainless steel bowl with some more instructions. So basically, this is how it looks. It is like pretty big and black. Then this is how you lock it. So unlock and lock. It comes with the stainless steel bowl. It's a pretty nice bowl. The inside is pretty nice too. I like it. It comes with 3 attachments, but there's 10 available attachments. The other 7 are sold separately. The one that comes with this is for like batters, for like cake batter or something like that. This is for like cookie doughs or more like the cookie type of batters and like butter. And this is for like bread and like, yeah, the dough basically for bread and stuff. So this is basically it. I like it. It has a on, off, but like if I put it here, then it has stir, then it has 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it increments by 2s. It's pretty heavy, so I recommend you putting this in one spot and not moving it like all around. But this is basically my video. It's not that long today. So these are like metal. They're heavy attachments. But I think this is pretty easy to use, and obviously having this is way better than using a hand mixer, because obviously you don't have to go like this, and you can just leave it on and add in the ingredients. So it's nice to have this. So we're gonna do this. Get it ready for use. So it's pretty nice. I wanted to just do an unboxing video so you guys saw how I like opened it and my first reactions and everything. So I'm pretty excited to use this. I plan to use this in my next video. Yeah, this is it. Basically, it has this weird thing on the wire, but it's very nice, I think. And I recommend you guys, if you guys are really seriously into baking, to get a stand mixer, because it makes the life really easy when it comes to cooking. So that is basically it for today's video. I really love this KitchenAid classic stand mixer, and I hope you guys enjoyed this too. Please tell me in the comment section down below what you guys want to see next, like any more unboxing or reviews, because I don't really do these, and I plan to do something special and post it, and it won't be something that I usually do. But if you guys want me to do more unboxings or more reviews, I would love to, because I love unboxing new things. I love anything new. So please subscribe to my channel and give me a big like, and yeah, tell me what you saw, and go check out my sister's channel. I'll put her YouTube link of her channel, if that makes sense, in the description box below. Check out my my latest video. I did a video with my cousin. We made a marble cake. That's all. Thank you guys for watching this video so much. Bye!